Hi, my name is Amy McCafferty.
And I'm Eric McCafferty, and we'd like to welcome you to 16191 Rose Avenue, located in Monte Sereno. We're conveniently just a few blocks away from downtown Los Gatos, and up the road is charming Saratoga Village.
This property was extensively remodeled by the current owners. You'll love the clean lines of the contemporary design, the smart home features, the elevated finishes, and every one of the 5 bedrooms is an ensuite.
Enjoy the tour.
This is a great location, plus you've got top Los Gatos schools, and I don't think you'd find a better spot to unwind after a wonderful meal in downtown Los Gatos.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you at the open houses or scheduling a private showing with you.
Until next time.